question number 4 says the distance that a spring will stretch varies directly as the force applied to the spring. A force of 12 pounds is needed to stretch a spring 9 inches. What force is required to stretch the spring 15 inches? What force is required to stretch the spring 57? And what force is required to stretch the spring 84? So we have two variables. We have d for distance, and we have F for force. And they give us the 9 with the 12, and then they give us 15, 57, and 84. So I don't know what those are. So I want to use the two where they're together to find K. Okay. And my general equation is D is equal to KF. So if I plug in the 9 and the 12, and then divide both sides by 12, I get K is equal to 9 over 12. I do want to reduce this to 3/4. So K is 3/4. So my general equation I can now express with the 3/4 instead of just the K. So D is equal to 3/4 times F. And we're asked 3 different questions here. They want to know what the force is. So this is 15 for the distance. And they want to know what the force is here. And 57 is equal to 3/4 times the force. And 84 is equal to 3/4 times the force. So we plugged in the distance, 15, 57, and 84. And on each of these, they're asking for the corresponding force. So to solve for each of these, I need to multiply by the reciprocal. So if you multiply both sides by 4/3, then that cancels out that fraction, and you're left with F. And then 15 times 4/3, you can do that on your calculator, and you get 20 pounds. With the middle one, I want to multiply both sides by 4/3, and we get F is equal to 76 pounds. And the last one, you're multiplying by 4/3, and you get F is equal to 112 pounds. So again, this equation relates the distance and the force.